हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम राम। इस वीडियो में आपके लिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करने वाला हूँ। दीज टोटल क्वेश्चंस आर ज्योग्राफी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द डे एंड नाइट्स आर इक्वल एट। सो एक बार इस ऑप्शन को देखिए। सो आवर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज प्राइम मेरिडियन, अंटार्कटिक, पोल्स एंड इक्वेटर। सो जब भी डे एंड नाइट्स में equal at equators, so answer is equator. So next one, which planet orbits closest to earth? So our options are Mars, Jupiter, Venus and Mercury. So earth closest to the earth is Venus, so answer is Venus. So next one, solar energy is received by the earth through. So our options are conduction, radiation, convection and refraction. So solar energy is received the earth through radiation. So our answer is radiation. So next one, fourth question, the brightest planet in our solar system is. So एक बार ऑप्शंस को देखिए। फर्स्ट वन वीनस, मर्क्यूरी, मार्स एंड जुपिटर. So our answer is Venus. So next one, the Milky Way galaxy was observed by. So these are four persons. So एक बार ऑप्शंस को पढ़िए। गैलीलियो, मार्टिन सेहमिट एंड मार्कोनी एंड न्यूटन. सो इसका आंसर गैलीलियो. सो गैलीलियो इज ऑब्जर्व्ड द मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी इन फर्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट वन, सो आवर सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, in mountains areas the natural cause for roadblocks is often. So our first option is road repair and construction, landslides and tree feeding and traffic congestion. So our answer is landslides. So next one, seventh question, which of the following refers to the white salt which covers the land some areas during the dry seasons? So user and ray, erg and reg. So answer for this question is ray. So next one, eighth question is the speed of rotation of earth is increases, the weight of the body is. So options are decreases, increases, remains the same, may increase or may decrease. So he asking about the speed of rotation of earth is increases. So speed is increases, then the weight of the body is decreases. So answer for this question is A, decreases. So weight of the body is decreases. So next one, the landforms are formed by wave erosion is. So options are spit, beach, caves and barrier island. So answer is caves. Next one, so 10th one, in solar or lunar eclipse the region of earth's shadows is divided into. So these are the options. So lunar and solar eclipse earth's shadows are divided into 5 parts, 4 parts, 2 parts and 3 parts. So answer for this question is 3 parts. So next one, Rift Valley is formed. So these are the options. So first one, between two anticlines, between two faults, erosion of syncline basin and due to volcanic eruption. So between two falls. So answer for this question is between two falls. So next one. Our 12th question is mounds or sand formed by wind action are called. So options are cliff, Syracuse, domes and Hammonds. So answer for this question is dunes. So dunes are the sand formed winds action. So next one. Now 13th question. The rate of deforestation is high in. So options are tropical zone, desert zone, temperate zone and boreal forest. So answer for this question is temperate zone. So next one. One of the following is not the result in underground water action. So options are stalactite and steglement and skin holes and phyllodes. So answer for this question is fourth one, phyllodes. So next one. The innermost layer of earth is known as. So options are lithosphere, mesosphere, asthenosphere and barysphere. So answer for this question is asthenosphere. Next one. The Pacific Ring of Fire is associated with. So options are oil wave, thermal power station, volcanic and earthquakes and forest fire. So answer is option number C, volcanic and earthquakes. So next one. Metamorphia rock is originated from. So options are igneous rock, sedimentary rock, both igneous and sedimentary rock. So answer is both igneous and sedimentary rock. Next one. The term epicenter is associated with. So options are earthquake, folding, faulting and earth interior. So answer is earthquake. So next one. Our atmosphere is divided into how many layers? So these are the options. So 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers and 5 layers. So our atmosphere is mainly divided into 5 types, 5 layers. So answer is 5. So next one. The forest which act as a barrier against the cyclones are. So alpine forest, mangrove forest, evergreen forest and monsoon forest. So answer is mangrove forest. So next one. Cyclones are caused due to. Options are low pressure, high pressure, low temperature, high density. So cyclones are caused due to low pressure. So low pressure is the answer. So next one. What is the tornado? So options are a very high pressure center, a very low pressure center, a very high ocean wave, a planetary wind. So answer is a very low pressure center. So next one. If there is a no carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere, the temperature of the Earth's surface would be. So options are dependent on amount of oxygen in the atmosphere, higher than the present and lesser than the present and same. So answer for this question is lesser than the present. So next one. Name the continent where tundra type of climate is found by? So tundra is found by Europe, Asia, Africa, North America. So answer is Africa continent. So next one. Speed of wind is measured by. So options are barometer, hygrometer, thermometer, anemometer. So wind speed is measured by anemometer. So answer is anemometer. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and like this video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. So we will meet on tomorrow class. So thank you. Have a nice day.